before we go any further, there's an event which is happening this Sunday, July the 24th, 2022, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's at the Kariba Education Centre, 7 Gresham Road, London, SW9 7PH. And it's by Campbell-Swaby Law Firm. And it's a free legal seminar presented by British Jamaican attorney at law, Christine Campbell-Swaby, a partner at Campbell-Swaby Law Firm, Kingston, Jamaica. Sunday, July the 24th. Do you have an outstanding land matter? Need to probate a will or administer an estate in Jamaica? Do you? And the question is the diaspora as well. She's here to engage with the diaspora. So without further ado, I'm going to bring in Christine Campbell-Swaby right away. Ooh.
Hi, good evening, Silborn.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Silborn. How are you?
I'm cool in the Malibu.
Long time no see. It's good to see you.
Well, in my opening, I mentioned that the sun came out, and we're trying to find where. And I found out now why, because Christine, you came to the UK, you brought the sun, but
and you brought that whole heap of heat to from Jamaica, but you couldn't manage it though.
You put something extra on it. Did you put something extra on it?
Train lines were buckling, and you know it's been unfortunate with the fires. But yeah, it goes to show that the UK is just not quite yet set up for that kind of climate. You may have to do something about it because apparently it's going to be an ongoing thing for the next 20, 30 years or so. You're going to have a much higher temperament here in the UK, so you need to work with it.
Welcome to the UK again, the land of your birth.
Thank you. I'm a Birmingham born and bred. Birmingham born and bred.
Awesome. So tell us about your event, July. I'm hearing a feedback. I don't know if it's from your side. I don't know if somebody has something.
No, I don't think it's my side.
That's all right.
I'm not hearing that feedback. Okay, so very quickly, I'm a Campbell-Swaby, partner at Campbell-Swaby Law Firm based in Kingston, Jamaica, and we I suppose because of my connections to the UK, we have a lot of Jamaican diasporans as our clients. And what we have found over the years is that we get the most inquiries, a lot of inquiries about land matters, people trying to get their titles or trying to probate a will in order to inherit, their legacy from their parents, or we get inquiries about how to protect an estate before parents have died and so forth, how to transfer during their life and the costs and the processes involved in that. And I find that because for the diasporans that are outside of Jamaica, in the UK, in my experience, because they are outside of Jamaica, they are sometimes at a disadvantage in knowing exactly what to do, in having the time to do so. When they come to Jamaica, they may be on a short time scale of, a month or 2 weeks to a month. And it's not a lot of time to get things sorted out. That is why we often reach out, and with the, in the age of technology now, we can do things, at long arm's length. You don't have to come to Jamaica to sort out your matters. We can do things just like how we're doing things now, via digital and by email, etc. And it works. Yeah, as long as you're able to notarize your documents, because all legal documents, when they come into the Jamaican legal system, whether it be the courts, the tax office, or the National Land Agency, which are the 3 main agencies that we deal with, they have to be notarized. And that's a cost in itself, but that's a lot less than having to come to Jamaica, book into a hotel, take time off work, and all those kinds of things. And it does work if you are dealing with experienced attorneys at law, as we are at Campbell-Swaby Law Firm.
So the event is on the 24th, and ladies and gentlemen,
24th of July, 2 till 5 p.m. at the Caribou Education Centre in Brixton, London. Now, I'm going to be giving a lot of information. I'm going to keep the ground running. So don't be late, because if you come late, you're going to miss vital information. I'm going to be going full throttle, and you will get valuable information. It's almost as though you're getting a free consultation, but it is free. It is like a free consultation on the matters that touch and concern the Jamaican diaspora here in the United Kingdom.
Whether a person attend the event or not, And if they want to get hold of you, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the numbers, the email going across. But you can say, Christine, how people can get hold of you.
Okay, so usually, because we get a lot of inquiries on our telephones, on WhatsApp, because our WhatsApp numbers are out there. We prefer, to be honest with you, and you get a better result if you go to the website, salmonandswaby.com, and then follow the links, click onto it, and pay the consultation fee. The consultation fee is only $120 US. And then that will give you 45 minutes. We can extend it to an hour if needs be. So say an hour's consultation via Zoom or WhatsApp if you can't manage Zoom, because some people can't manage Zoom, or WhatsApp. And we will be able to look at your documents beforehand. Once you've paid your consultation fee, then you can send us documents to get the most out of your hour's consultation. Because I understand that you may want to speak to us beforehand to decide if you have a case or what we can do for you. You can't necessarily get into our office in Jamaica because you're in the United Kingdom. So I think that it's excellent value for money. It's an excellent use of time and resources to have that consultation face to face with either myself or Mrs. Debbysalmon, the other partner of the firm.
So ladies and gentlemen, do you have outstanding land matters, need to probate a will or administer an estate in Jamaica, issues in Jamaica?
Okay, can I just say one more thing? Still more than take up your time. I always do this. I never come empty-handed to the United Kingdom. There will be Jamaican goodies, prize draw, the good stuff.
Rum and banana, rum.
The Ray and his nephew, and the other one, the Appleton. There will be Jamaican goodies raffled on the night, just as a prize giving, just to say thank you for coming, etc. For persons in attendance.
Okay.
On Sunday.
Fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, Caribou Education Centre, 7 Gresham Road, London, SW9. Is that Brixton? That's Brixton, isn't it?
It's Brixton. Silborn, I can't believe you're asking me.
No. Because normally people say Brixton. You know what I'm saying?
It is Brixton.
Yeah,
it is Brixton.
That's where we were the last time, isn't it? Because I came.
Yes, you recall. Yes, Brixton. So I'm hoping to have a full house. I'm hoping that people gain the information. Information is power. Knowledge is power. Yeah. And it is more to me. It is the system in Jamaica is more complicated in terms of getting like probate matters done and estate matters sorted out. Simply because you're overseas, so you have more to prove, and the notary system and all of that, you can't avoid it. But once you follow a certain path and follow the instructions of the attorneys, you will get your result eventually.